Pairing cut.
The pairing cut gives you really good control, but you'll be cutting toward your thumb, so always be careful. You can wear a thumb guard or just stay aware of where the knife could go, especially if it slips. To do the pairing cut, also called the drop cut, hold the wood in one hand and the knife in the other. Grip the knife with forefinger and point the cutting edge toward your thumb. Rest the thumb of your knife hand on the wood just behind the spot you want to carve, and extend your thumb as far as you can. Then close your hand and pull the knife toward your thumb to slide through the wood. It's the same motion you use when peeling or paring a potato.